Welcome to this short video about cut planes in SimCenter Flowtherm 2019.2. Cut planes now form part of the results property sheet for plane plots. When selecting the cut planes option box, there is the choice to cut plane above or below. Cutting the plane above removes the geometry above the plane. Similarly, cutting the plane below removes the geometry below the plane. Multiple cut planes can be defined at any given time to isolate sections of preferred geometry. Finally, cut planes now have the capability to work alongside with surface plots. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website.